Hi all, very happy morning, happy afternoon, happy evening to every viewer who is watching this video. Today in this session, we are going to discuss the persistent systems exam structure and the high frequency topics that are being asked by persistent systems over a period of time. Very good company to work with, and this is one company where they use their own platform to check the students' ability before they take hire for the respective companies. Now persistent systems, this is also one of the companies where very less number of questions come from quantitative aptitude, almost zero questions come from verbal ability, zero questions come from logical reasoning. They emphasize more on the technical expertise. They want students to be extremely strong in technical subjects more than the quantitative aptitude, verbal or reasoning. Let us straight away get into the persistent systems examination structure. Now if you see persistent systems, they check the students on 4 sections. What are the 4 sections? Section number 1, general aptitude. And in this general aptitude, there will be 60 questions. In 60 questions, 5 questions will be from aptitude. 5 questions will be from aptitude and 55 questions will be from the technical subjects theory part. This is the first section. And the second section is technical questions. In these technical questions and essay writing, these are the 2 sections that they will ask in the first round, technical questions and essay writing. Technical questions, you need to spend 30 minutes and you have to generate the output for 2 programs. And essay writing, they will give a topic and you have to express your views on a particular topic, and the time limit that is given is 10 minutes and one topic will be given. One topic will be given. These are the 2 rounds that will come in the written test part of persistent systems, then followed by a technical round, followed by an HR round. So total there are 4 sections, and in written test there are 2 sections, and the test that will happen on their platform is a adaptive test where a system will generate their own questions depending on a examiner's competency level. Are there any negative marking? There are no negative marking, and generally the paper that persistent systems gives is moderate to high in difficulty level. Some of the questions which I saw it in the last year are relatively closer to a CAT level. Paper will be a moderate to difficult level. Very less number of questions are formulae based, and some of the questions are very tricky by nature. Very tricky by nature. Now if you see, aptitude test is there, written test is there. These are the first 2 things that will come in the first round. Aptitude test, as I told you, the time duration is 60 minutes. Only 5 questions come from the general aptitude and 55 questions come from the theory part of computer fundamentals. And the theory part of computer fundamental, generally the topics where the theory parts will come from are from data structures, microprocessors, C and C++, Java, DBMS, computer networking, operating systems and communication system related things. 55 questions come from the theory of the 4 years of your technical education. 55, only 5 questions, almost 5 out of 60, 8.33% is the weightage only for general aptitude. Almost 5 questions generally they will be from arithmetic. Arithmetic is the dominating area. Only 5 questions come from aptitude and almost all 5 questions are from arithmetic. 55 questions, almost 90+% of the questions come from the technical theory part. That is the kind of importance they give on the technical related thing. And they give a C programming and essay writing, 30 minutes for 2 program. Each program 15 minutes time you got it, and you have to generate the output for the question which they asked for, and 10 minutes is there for essay writing. And in technical round they will ask the questions based on what they asked in the written test, or they might also ask a new kind of questions to check your competency in the technical round. HR interview is more of your personality interview with they will check whether your personality matches with the culture of the organization, and they have seen you in the written test. They wanted to see you whether what you wrote in the resume is the person that you are sitting in front of them. So there are 4 rounds: aptitude test, written test, technical round, and HR interview. Let us get into the topics. Now in general aptitude, 5 questions will come. Almost all the 5 questions are from arithmetic. Good number of questions are from time and work, ratio proportion, profit loss, simple interest, and percentages. So get into the fundamentals of percentages and solve all the models of simple interest, compound interest, and profit loss and discount. Get into the fundamentals of ratio proportion and variation. Also see the application of ratio proportion and variation in ages and in partnership. Also concentrate on time and work. So also do some more problems based on ratios in time, speed, and distance. 5 questions come from general aptitude, and 55 questions come from the technical. 55 questions. Good number of questions are based on the programming fundamentals. Good number of questions are based on the programming language fundamentals and your understanding of design and analysis of algorithms. They'll ask you some searching related problems, some sorting related problems. They'll ask you what is a binary tree, what is the difference between a tree and a graph. They'll ask you some questions based on a sorting algorithms, operating system. They will ask you some questions based on process management, memory management, and file management. They'll ask you all the fundamentals related to database management system. They'll ask you the fundamentals of data structure. Questions could be from stack, queue, linked list, array. They'll ask you when to use LIFO, when to use FIFO, when to use tree, when to use graph. All the fundamental definition, attributes, implementation, and operations of data structures are used. In case if you are a student preparing for persistent systems, you are expected to be extremely good in the technical field and okay in general aptitude, so that you will maximize your chances. I hope you got an idea about the complete understanding of persistent systems. I repeat again, persistent system conducts 4 rounds. The first 2 rounds are a part of the written test. In the 2 rounds, they will check your aptitude skills as well as the theory of technical round, and in another round they will check your understanding of the programming concept, followed by your written communication skills. Once you clear the first round, second round you will get into the technical round where they will ask questions, and in the third round they will have an HR interview. Very good company to work with, good pay packet is there, and probably they will give a good training for you so that you will be extremely good in the coming days once you get into the job. In case if you are someone who is not good in any of the fundamentals of aptitude, verbal, and reasoning, you are not able to clear your interviews, you can buy our 350 hours video content, where we not only give aptitude, verbal, and reasoning, we also help you out with some good videos from the industry people, from group discussion and personal interview. 350 hours video content, you can buy it, and you can watch the content in desktop as well as in the mobile app, and you will be able to watch the live classes of arithmetic, which we are starting right now. In case if you purchase it immediately when you see the video, live classes of arithmetic, it is also free. Now, how you can purchase it? You can WhatsApp this number 805006891. You can either go for a monthly pack or a 3 months or a 6 months or a 12 months pack. 12 months pack. 12 months pack is 5947, and 3 months pack is 2400, and 6 months pack is 4500 rupees. In addition to 350 hours video content, you will also get access to arithmetic live classes. You will also get access to 300 plus placement test papers, and you will also get access to 400 plus ebooks. 400 plus ebooks you will get an access, so that you are very well prepared for any of the company that you are going to attend for. This course is useful for almost all placement related companies, a must buy course for every engineering student who wanted to start their career in software industry. Thanks a lot for watching the video. With love, Anil Nair.